Wow. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. I'm doing more like right away. This is amazing. Oh my God. All right, here we go. I'm probably going to spray the alcohol in there just to make it a little bit easier for me. Please don't forget that you can use Cherish 10 for a discount at KSResin.com. This was actually a discontinued batch of KSResin that had yellowed, so they sold it for half off. And I have done so many projects with this, you would never know that it was yellow before I was mixing up the resin. And there have been no side effects, no problems at all with it being a yellow resin. And it wasn't even that yellow, but they had to sell it at a discount. And I was here for all about that discount, so. Oh, wow. Oh, you can see the glitter too. That is really cool. I'm glad I did that chameleon color right there. It kind of breaks it up. The pink there, the, what's this one called again? I can't even remember. Yeah, the Bellini, the ballet slipper right here. You don't see too much of it. You just see a little hint of it here and a little bit of it here, but wow, that is so, so cool. Oh, wow. I have to tell you, I'm really liking these molds. They're shop resin molds. I'm getting them on Etsy. I will put a link to the Etsy shop down below, but I like painting, that's what I'm going to call it, painting the molds. I might do an all white and silver and blue leaf for winter maybe, I don't know, just to do something different, but this is really awesome. And this mold takes 5 ounces of resin, which is really not that bad. The turtle definitely takes more than 5 ounces. Can you see the sparkle? Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will be doing more resin projects. I think I'm kind of hooked. If you have a favorite resin mold that you like and that sells great at craft fairs, please let me know down in the description below. I'm interested in other people's resin products. I forgot, I wanted to compare the two. They're very similar, except I did the stem and the veins a little bit different. This one has the actual powder in that area, so I don't know, which one do you like better? Kind of, oh man, I like them both equally. This one has more glitter in it for sure, but this one has more of the maroon in it, so all over the place instead of just being on the stem. I don't know, that's a toss-up. I'm not sure which one I like better. Let me know down in the description below. Do you like this darker one with the maroon better than the lighter gold one? That one, that's hard to choose. Okay, now I'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching.